Before we can begin learning how to use AutoCAD, we need to install the software if you haven't already. If you have, then you can probably move along to the next chapter without any issues. If you haven't, and you want some help setting it up, then this section's for you. If you have the DVD, insert it in your drive, and it should start up and eventually pop up to this window here. If you downloaded the file off the internet from AutoCAD's website or from a reseller, run the file that you were given. To get started, click on Install Products. Most of your choices here are going to be very obvious. Select your language. For my case, it will be English. Pick what you want to install. AutoCAD 2011 is an obvious question. If you need some help, like you want to know if your computer can handle it, here on the left you can check the system requirements. It'll bring up some information from their website. Since I already have AutoCAD 2011 installed on my machine, these choices are grayed out, meaning I can't select them. But you will pick these boxes and click Next. Then you will be asked where to put it on your machine. Just go with the default settings. And eventually, if you've purchased the software, then you'll need to put in your product keys and serial codes. Just enter those out accordingly. If you're using the 30-day trial because you've downloaded it from Autodesk's website, you will leave those blank and you'll have 30 calendar days to work with the software. Then just sit back and wait. Eventually everything will be loaded, but it will take some time. One option you're going to come across will be to install the initial setup. You can skip that, or you can go through the steps. If you want some more help on those steps, we do have a section for the initial setup process. The initial setup is there just to help you set up some template files and get some settings going so that you can go right out of the box, work with your drawings the way you need them to in your specific design field. It's not necessary. AutoCAD works exactly the same with or without it, but this is just to help you get started and get working. When it's all done, start the program.